Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about Lanzhou University CSC scholarship. Type in Google CSC Guide official. It's request from my side and click on the first link. Here is the website cscguideofficial.com. Okay, and click on this category CSC scholarship admissions. If you want to get detail about CSC scholarship list and channel scholarship procedure 2022, you can click on that option. But we discuss Lanzhou University CSC scholarship. And inshallah in next video I want to tell you that how to apply for East China Normal University Shanghai Government Scholarship and CSC scholarship. So let's start. Click here and get the detail about Lanzhou University. So here is the detail about Lanzhou University CSC scholarship. You can read this detail. And Chinese Government Scholarship Authority, University name Lanzhou University. This is student category for master and PhD. Everything is free. Lanzhou University. This is for scholarship stipend is 3,000 RMB for master, 3,500 RMB for PhD students, and just online apply. No need to send hard copies, no need to pay application fee. Deadline is 30th of April 2022. So here is the procedure. Here is the eligibility criteria. All international students can apply. Age limit you can see, and English proficiency certificate is okay. And here is the majors list. If your major is in this list, then you must apply. Otherwise, leave it. Okay. Here is the list. So all majors, okay, majors are available here. All majors you can see: bachelor in Chinese and master in Chinese, so and then master in English, okay. And here is the list as well: bachelor in Chinese and master degree in Chinese, and this one is master language in English. College of Chemistry and Chemical Engineering, Chemistry, Chemical Engineering and Technology, School of Life Sciences, Microbiology and Cell Biology, Botany and Geochemistry. This is for Earth, School of Earth Sciences and Paleontology and these kind of, okay. So you can get your major. If your major is in this list, then you apply, otherwise leave it. And here is the major for Chinese for PhD, and this one is the doctoral degree, okay. And doctoral degree is College of Chemistry and Chemical Engineering, Chemistry, School of Pastoral Agriculture and School of Life Sciences, School of Earth Science, and these kind of things, okay. So you can first you check your major and then you apply, not just get the official advertisement and you applied, okay. No, this is not possible. So you can get the department link, faculty link here. So here is how to apply for this. First you fill CSC form, click here, and second you fill university form, click here. And no need to pay application fee, no need to send hard copies, okay. Result will be announced at the end of July. Here is the required documents: online application and CSC form, university form, highest degree, transcript, study plan, research proposal, copy of your study results, abstract or catalogs if you have, otherwise leave it, okay. Two recommendation letter, passport copy, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate, and non-criminal certificate, record and acceptance letter. Click here to get the official advertisement. So go and submit your form, Lanzhou University online application form. So I want to check you one thing on their university portal. So internet speed is a little bit slow. That's, I think, okay. No, it's okay. So okay, and I want to show you something that in English majors, a lot of majors are present on their website, but you need to get your one. So I want to show you, this one is CAPTCHA entering, and you can see I want to click on online application. First you make an account on this portal, and then so I want to delete this application, okay. So I click on online applications here and create a new application for master candidate, okay. So internet speed, because I am just using data, so that's why it's slow internet speed. So click on Chinese Government Scholarship option and click on next, and I select master student, okay, master student. After that you can see I select English, okay, fine. You can see here many majors are available here, but you need to select your major from that list. If your major is in this list in English, so, okay, and here is the English for masters, then apply, otherwise leave it, okay. So good luck and take care of yourself. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.